Hello everybody, welcome to Miss Bobby's Home Cooking. Today I have a delicious, easy meal for you. It's roasted chicken. Everything is cooked in my roasting pan. This is a meal you will enjoy. Please like and subscribe. When you subscribe, it goes a long way and I really appreciate it. So we're going to get started. That cornbread is delicious. I do have that on another video. So let's get started with our diced potatoes in nice sizes, nice chunk sizes. We're going to do our celery, nice size dices. Then I have some carrots, and then we have some one small onion. And then I'm going to have, of course, half of a green bell pepper and a quarter of a red bell pepper. I'm going to dice into nice sized little pieces. And then I have 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to dice into small pieces, very small pieces. Looks delicious. Again, please like and share. And then I'm going to cover my veggies with some oil. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of onion powder, about a tablespoon of garlic powder, and some seasoning salt, probably about a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons. Then I have some red peppers, just a little taste, it's optional. And then we're going to put in some smoked paprika to taste, about maybe a teaspoon. And then I'm going to give it a good mix. Okay, so now we're going to do our roasted chicken. I have washed and cleaned it really well inside and out. I want to pat it nice and dry, top and bottom. And then I'm going to stuff the inside with some onions, some bell pepper, green bell pepper, and some lemon. Stuff it in there really good, and also sprinkled in some seasoning salt. And then I'm going to drizzle some oil on the outside of my roast chicken. And we're going to rub it in really well. And then I'm going to put on some seasoning salt to taste. And some paprika, smoked paprika to taste. Kind of go a little generous on the smoked paprika. And then we're going to put our veggies in. This just smells wonderful. I tell you, it smells really good already, and I haven't even cooked it yet. And I'm going to sprinkle on just a little bit more seasoning salt, and then I want to sprinkle on some celery seeds. And then we're going to drizzle some more oil over the chicken and on the veggies. And then I'm going to cover it up, put it in the oven, cook it for about 1 hour, 10 minutes at 400 degrees, depending on your oven. Make sure it reaches the right temperature inside. And then here we have it. Looks delicious, smells good. I'm going to serve this up with a nice cornbread. And I'm going to also serve it up with some greens that I made. Put a little bit of that juice sauce on. It's delicious. I hope that you try this recipe, like and share. Thank you for watching.